Ladies and gentlemen, the ID.4 GTX, the sporty top model in our ID.4 range. The ID.4 GTX is the first ID with dual motor all-wheel drive. A true SUV with powerful propulsion and biting transaction on any surface. I couldn't stand upright on this ramp, but driving up, it is clearly not a problem for the GTX, which handles it easily. I'm certain that our customers will also have a lot of fun with the ID.4 GTX, making the most of its dynamic handling and intelligence performance. Its impressive safety features, excellent quality and premium feel add even more to its appeal.
Ladies and gentlemen, clearly, every one of our ID models is fun to drive. And now GTX means feel the agility. One touch of the drive pedal is all it takes to experience full torque from both electric drives. And in every bend, you can sense the fabulous handling due to the low center of gravity delivered by locating the battery in the vehicle floor. The handling is simply amazing. With the GTX, we are really going for it. Thanks to the second electric motor at the front, thanks to the full power of up to 220 kilowatt, and thanks to the intelligent and efficiently controlled dual motor all-wheel drive. This SUV is a sports car, delivering acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers in 6.2 seconds. I have already had the pleasure of using the car over long distances. And I can tell you, it's something to look forward to. It's a wonderful combination of Volkswagen values, like safety and outstanding performance. It goes without saying that we put a lot of work into fine-tuning the running gear. We are Volkswagen, after all. Simply put, the GTX is a GDI of the EV world. The 77 kilowatt-hours battery delivers a WLTP range of 480 kilometers. At least as important so is a high charging power of 125 kilowatts. In the space of 30 minutes, you can recharge with enough energy for roughly 300 kilometers. And the innovative operating and safety concept is just as intelligent as its driveline. The driver is supported, for example, by the unique augmented reality head-up display, as well as the extensive assistance systems. The ID.4 GTX is always on and digitally connected, and not just with the WeConnect online services. Over-the-air updates keep the ID.4 GTX fully up to date in our customers' hands. What means to the customer, it's more to come. Our head, Joseph Caban, will now tell you all about how our newest ID shows its performance visually.
So, here it is. Powerful from the technique, but as well attractive from the design. The ID.4 GTX is standing for transformation from one elegant SUV to more sporty. And how we've done it, you can see immediately on the front. When you look the whole front area, you can recognize that next to the nice, beautiful eyes, we have as well 3 diamonds on each side, which are integrated from the honeycomb in the front, and it giving the car sporty character. It is the shape and as well the whole treatment of the front. And of course, as well, the proportions of the car, which makes the car sporty. It is standing on strong wheels, on big wheels, and we have as well here 21-inch wheel, which gives the car strong, robust character, but as well 20-inch as the GTX. We can see as well label, but what is nice, as well the color combination. The car is always in the dark combination with the body color always recognizable. But when we come to the back as well here, we have completely new bumper. We have completely new look. And of course, as well here, nicely the GTX writing and as well the special treatment of the lights. When you look at them, and of course as well when they brake, you can see and you can recognize the X. Yes, this car is attractive from the outside, but not only outside is important, of course, even inside. We played with materials, we played with colors, and even this car has beautiful quality treatment. When you look in, of course, it is blue color, which first come in your eyes. Then the right stitching, the red color, you know, giving the sportiness. And as well, of course, sport seats, the labeling on the seats, on the steering wheel. There's plenty of things what you can experience. And I think it is worth it. I hope you will enjoy it.
Thank you, Joseph. I'm already looking forward to seeing the first ID.4 GTX cars on European roads very soon. The ID family will, of course, continue to grow. It will happen soon, with more to come towards the end of this year. Our next ID is all about the elegance of flowing coupe lines. And naturally, this car will also come with a GTX version. Today you get an exclusive preview of our ID.5. Enjoy! Ladies and gentlemen, there is one thing you have truly witnessed today. We will tackle any and every incline, no matter how steep. We are working tirelessly on the way to zero for a climate-neutral future. We are rapidly rolling out our range of fully electric cars. With our new ID.4 GTX, Volkswagen offers sustainable mobility with emotional design and intelligent performance. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Wow, that was fun. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Dynamic, fast, vibrant. A perfect match for our new ID.4 GTX. Responsibility and emotion are the two sides of this car, and every single trip with the ID.4 GTX is an experience and something to look forward to. It's a real shame that you couldn't be with us today here in Berlin Tempelhof, but I keep my fingers crossed. It'll work out in a couple of months when our ID family welcomes its next new edition. Until then, stay safe and bye-bye.